Welcome to Bike Lab, your go-to source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and deep dives into classic and modern machines. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, a reimagined legend that blends classic heritage with modern performance. Let's dive in. A tribute to the past. The original Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, produced from 1966 to 1984, was an icon in the V-twin lineup. It earned its name from the distinctive rocker covers that resembled the back of a coal shovel. It powered some of the most legendary Harley models, cementing itself in motorcycle history. Known for its raw power, deep exhaust note, and unmistakable styling, the Shovelhead was a favorite among riders who appreciated a mix of power and craftsmanship. Now, in 2026, Harley-Davidson has brought the Shovelhead back with a bold mix of nostalgia and cutting-edge engineering. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Shovelhead is a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 V-twin, specifically tuned to replicate the feel and sound of the original Shovelhead while delivering modern reliability and performance. Harley has integrated variable valve timing, VVT, and improved oil cooling, making this engine both powerful and efficient. With an output of approximately 105 horsepower and 120 lb-ft of torque, this modern Shovelhead delivers the low-end grunt that Harley riders love while meeting today's emission standards. To further enhance performance, Harley has refined the fuel injection system, providing smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. This means riders get an optimal balance of power and control, whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The 6-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, giving riders a perfect blend of old-school rumble and modern precision. Classic design, modern build. Harley-Davidson has stayed true to the original Shovelhead's aesthetic with its retro-styled rocker covers, round air cleaner, and dual exhaust pipes. However, the 2026 model features an updated LED lighting system, digital instrumentation, and ride-by-wire throttle control. The frame retains the classic softail look but is now constructed using lightweight aluminum alloy for improved handling and comfort. The ergonomics have been improved to provide better rider comfort, with an adjustable seat height and improved handlebar positioning. The fuel tank features a vintage-inspired emblem, paying homage to the classic Shovelhead era, while the fenders and tank shape remain reminiscent of the original model. Technology and ride experience. Despite its retro styling, the 2026 Shovelhead is packed with modern technology. It includes Harley's latest rider safety enhancements, featuring cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes. The suspension has been upgraded with an adjustable rear monoshock and an inverted front fork, offering superior ride quality. The bike also comes with Bluetooth connectivity and a touchscreen display, blending vintage charm with contemporary convenience. The ride modes include Touring, Sport, Rain, and Custom, allowing riders to tailor their experience to different road conditions. The electronic cruise control makes long-distance rides more comfortable, while the keyless ignition system adds an extra layer of convenience. For those who love long road trips, the optional saddlebags and windscreen package enhance practicality without compromising on style. Limited edition and customization. Harley-Davidson is releasing the 2026 Shovelhead as a limited edition model, with only 5,000 units available worldwide. Riders will have the option to customize their bikes with exclusive paint schemes, seat options, and performance upgrades. With an expected price tag starting at $24,000, this motorcycle is aimed at enthusiasts who appreciate both legacy and innovation. Customization options include different handlebar styles, exhaust setups, and seat materials, allowing riders to create a unique look and feel that suits their personal style. Harley-Davidson's Scream and Eagle performance parts are also available for those who want to push the bike's power even further. Final thoughts. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a stunning tribute to a legendary machine, proving that classic style and modern technology can coexist. With its powerful V-twin engine, vintage-inspired design, and state-of-the-art features, this bike is built for those who want a piece of Harley's rich history without compromising on performance. As the motorcycle world moves toward electrification and advanced tech, Harley has found a way to honor its past while keeping the riding experience authentic and exciting. This bike is for purists, collectors, and anyone who wants to experience the essence of a true American V-twin. Would you take the new Shovelhead for a ride? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews here at Bike Lab. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video. I've expanded the script with more details on performance, technology, customization, and the overall riding experience. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments.